guys, welcome to this video. So I just came from vacation. It was my birthday. I just turned 19 on July 10th, so that's pretty cool. And I got probably the most amazing birthday gift ever, and I am just so fortunate and just so lucky to have this item, and I really wanted to show it to you, review it, unbox it even though I've used it for like 2 weeks. But here it is. It is my Louis Vuitton purse. It's my second Louis Vuitton besides the little tiny one that I have, so that's really exciting that this is actually like a full-size purse. So I kind of want to do this unboxing style even though I've already used it for like 2 weeks while I was on vacation. So it comes in this big box, and the bag itself is actually kind of tiny, so like when I opened the box I thought the bag was like gonna be huge. I was like, what the heck, this box is like giant, but here it is, and it has stuff in it, so that's why it's like I'm kind of holding it heavy, because unboxing style I tried really hard to do that. Here it is. It is the Locky BB in pink. So I just thought this is the cutest bag. So my family has known that I've been raving about like the Alma BB from Louis Vuitton for like a while now, and they said they checked it out in the store and they thought I wouldn't like it. They just said it wasn't as nice as it was in the pictures. So I was like, oh, what the heck. But I've only seen the pictures of that one, but they said this one was really cute and they decided to get this one for me, which is actually more expensive. So I am just so grateful to my family that they got this for me, because it's just so beautiful, it's so cute. I just love it. So getting into some of the technicalities, I guess, and usages of the bag and some of the pros and cons. I mean, pro, look how cute it is. It is top handle. I love that. I think it looks so cute, like carrying it, and I heard this is a crook of your arm. I don't know. Yeah, so it comes with crossbody strap, which I love crossbodies and I just think they're so useful. I've tried not crossbody purses and I just don't think they're for me, or at least at this time point in my life when I'm just like going to the mall and like just need to sling something on my shoulder and just go. So this is what it looks like with the strap. The strap is adjustable, so I put it like 2 notches up from where it was originally, and yeah, it fits perfectly now across my shoulder. Not across my, yeah, this shoulder. Okay, I was like shoulder, not shoulder bag. So something about this is that it has this like little leather thing right here, and when I first got it, I was like really tempted to just like open it via like the leather, but you don't want to do that because it's like gonna bend the leather, right? So it took some time to get me to like open it using the lock. So yeah, the lock is super pretty, has the LV. I'm really scared of that scratching like eventually, but it still looks pretty good right now. So open this, and more monogram, and inside it's suede, which is just so amazing, and it feels amazing, and I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so inside it doesn't really fit that much stuff. Part of the reason is because this little design on the side where it like goes in is stitched on the inside, so otherwise like the bag would like have more room from here to here, but it's like kind of more here, there, if that makes any more sense. But yeah, so I just carry my essentials in here, and that's really like all I need. So I have portable charger, and let me just show you from this weird angle. So portable charger, wallet, AirPods, and I would keep my phone in there, and a wire for the charger. So something, going back to this doesn't like hold a lot of things. I actually got, okay, this is like kind of like too much, but I just got a new wallet for this bag, which is like with my own money, which is like kind of like too much, I know, but I got the Rosalie wallet matching, so this is it. Oh, also this is around like $1,700. If you guys want to know the price, maybe buy it for yourself or buy it as a gift or something, you know. And I bought this Rosalie wallet for $400, including tax. because I bought in Las Vegas and it's like only 8% tax. Otherwise in Washington it would be 10% tax. So yeah, got the Rosalie wallet. It is much thinner. Actually, let me go get my other wallet so I can compare. Okay, so this is my old wallet and this is the new wallet. They are very similar in style and in usage. So this one you can open up. See, there are 2 different compartments and then like a card slot, and there's a card slot in the back. And this one's from Kate Spade. I think it's called the Laurel Way Christine or something. And this is the Rosalie. Very similar, opens up, you know, has a slot. Doesn't have the card thing in the back, but that's fine. Don't really use that. So you can see that even, I think this carries like way more stuff. Like I could put like 1,000,000 cards in here, and who uses cash nowadays? So I need a lot of cards, and it's just a lot thinner, and like I feel like it's just more compact than this one, and this one's like, it's just huge because of the second compartment feature. So yeah, got a new wallet for it. Part of it's because it's like too big. I thought this would actually really fit in there like really nicely, so that was nice. It fits in perfectly in my opinion, and let me move this a little bit. Okay, so it fits in there with like more room to kind of put other stuff in. I would usually put it with my wallet, so I would put it like, not my wallet, my phone. I would usually put it like standing face up. Oh, that's another cool thing about it, is that my phone like stands vertically, so I don't have to put it sideways. I feel like if it was sideways, it would like be weird to like fit stuff in it, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I would usually put it next to my phone, standing vertically, and it would just fit perfectly in there. Otherwise, this wallet would just fit there and you couldn't put anything next to it, which takes up actually like half the space in this bag. So that's another thing to it. It doesn't really fit that much stuff, but if you just need to carry the essentials, like I do, like I also carry like a lip gloss in here, you know, it's really nice and so cute. There's another pocket right here. That's where the Louis Vuitton care card is. So it was there. I put it like away. But yeah. So something I did want to say about this though is that, oh my god, that better not be dye transfer. Okay. Anyway, it's just like a little darker over there. I'm not sure if that's just dirty or something that I don't want to know what it is. It's okay. But something that I just wanted to talk about is this like little scuffing, I think they're scuffing. I don't know the technical terms for this stuff. I watch a lot of handbag videos, but I don't know too much. But yeah, there's just like that right here, and I believe that is the result of this crossbody chain, and it's just like clinking against like the sides whenever I wear it, and I'm not sure if that can be prevented. I just thought maybe it would just be part of the normal wear and tear of it, because it's just like, this is naturally gonna go back and forth, and I just don't think there's a good way to prevent that. So that's kind of sad, but it's fine. This lock is really heavy, so that's another thing. The bag itself is really light, but the lock is just the only heavy thing. It's like I don't really mind the weight of it. The thing that I was really kind of concerned about, I'm like really babying this bag. This bag is like actually my baby. Besides my wallet, because I bought that with my own money, and it's like my other child. But this one, I was just really scared about like how heavy the lock is, and if it's gonna scratch this inner part or scratch this part up here. So that was kind of concerning to me. I didn't take off the protective thing on the bottom right here for like a little bit until it started peeling off itself, and I was like, might as well just take it off. I didn't want to like keep that on there, but for the duration that it wasn't peeling off, I think it really protected it, but like I'm trying not to like close it too hard, and so something I wanted to talk about was the pink color. So yeah, I just thought the pink color is just so cute and versatile. Like, even though it's not a normal neutral color like cream or white, I actually had the option of, my mom said that I like could, if I wanted to go to the Louis Vuitton store, check out the cream one, I could exchange it but I think I got like really excited to use this one that I like just used it, and I was just like, you know what, forget about cream, because this pink is just my color. I feel like it goes with so many things in my closet. Like normally I wear a lot of like light colors, pastels, and like the pink, white, stuff like that. So I just think this would actually go better, and I just feel like with black it could be a pop of color, and I feel like if it was cream, and then it would just kind of like blend in with like my white outfits. So I just thought this was a good color choice. Here, let me show you a little crossbody shot, and we'll wrap up this video. So this is what it looks like crossbody, and it just fits really well. This like top handle just kind of like flips forward, which is kind of weird. Not weird, but like it doesn't go back or anything. It's like stops right there. So yeah, I just thought it's very cute, and yeah, that's what it looks like crossbody. And oh my god, I love this purse. It's so exciting. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed me kind of unboxing, reviewing, I don't know, just talking about this purse and how great and amazing and beautiful it is. Yeah, so if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'm probably gonna do a video on the Rosalie wallet, maybe like a really short one, just reviewing that too. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, and if you want to see more, subscribe. I already said that, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!